I'll show you how to insert checkbox in Google Docs. One way is to go ahead and type this in with your keyboard. Okay, these two brackets, these square brackets, and then you press a space. There you go, we have a checkbox. Then you can go ahead and type in whatever text you wanted, for example, apples, right? And you can go ahead and toggle this one on, okay, to check it. The other way, I guess this is a more simple way for some people. All you need to do is come here, click on Format, go hover over Bullets and Numbering, go hover over Checklist menu, and you will see right here we have this checklist menu. So this one, once you check it off, it basically does a strike through. This one does not do a strike through. So choose whichever one works for you. I'll choose the one with strike through. And let's go ahead and type in apples and hit space, bananas. Let's do watermelons as well. Okay. And all you need to do is toggle these on. And there you go. We have our check boxes.